a very festive evening, but it does not take away from the solemnity of this problem.
I think it's our duty as human beings and as a good citizen of Las Vegas to help the situation.
It can happen to our daughters, it can happen to our neighbors, it can happen to wives in domestic relationships.
We need to stand up, help these girls, make them survivors today, and do something right and make our city proud.
No child should ever be at the hands of a predator or a pedophile that exploits them to other human beings for sale. Our city was rated an F for consecutive years.
Look, the fight against human trafficking is something that we all have a responsibility to, number one, have an awareness of, number two, share the educational piece of, and three, take an active participation in how we're going to create change.
For doing this, we are changing the lives of many, especially for our sex trafficking victims and sexually exploited women and children. This is really, in the grand scheme of things, this is what it's for.
And therefore, we, the mayor and members of the Las Vegas City Council, proudly proclaim February 25th, 2023, be a Shero Foundation Day.
Hey!